In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data to Pipedrive via a CSV file. This process is straightforward and we'll walk through it step by step to ensure you're able to do it quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Pipedrive's official website, which is pipedrive.com. This is where the journey begins, so make sure you're on their homepage before proceeding. Once you're there, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. At this point, you'll need to enter your login credentials, type in your email address and password associated with your Pipedrive account. It's always a good idea to double check your spelling here to avoid any login errors. Once you've entered these details, simply click the login button to access your account. With access granted, you'll now be on your Pipedrive dashboard. From here, look for the More option on the menu. It's your gateway to a variety of advanced features, including our main task today. Clicking More will reveal a drop-down menu, and among those options, select Import Data. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for uploading your CSV file. After selecting Import Data, you'll be taken to a new screen. Here you'll notice an option that reads Upload Spreadsheet. Make sure your file is in either the DEX, LSX or .csv format, as these are the compatible formats Pipedrive supports. Click on Upload Spreadsheet to proceed to the next step. Your File Explorer will pop up, allowing you to select the file you wish to upload. With your file uploaded, the next task is fixing fields. This is where you'll make sure that all the fields in your CSV are correctly mapped to their Pipedrive counterparts. It might sound technical, but don't worry, Pipedrive makes this task much easier by providing clear visual aids. Take your time to ensure each field is accurately paired. This will save you from having any mismatched data later on. Once you're satisfied with how the fields are mapped out, go ahead and click Next. You're getting closer. You'll be prompted to merge data at this point, which allows you to combine information without duplicating records. This feature can be quite a time saver. Clicking Merge Data ensures that your existing data remains clean and organized without unnecessary duplicates. The last step is a simple one. You're now ready to start the import process. Double check everything one final time and then click on Start Import. Now sit back and let Pipedrive handle the rest. Your data will begin importing into your Pipedrive account. And there you have it. You've successfully imported data into Pipedrive using a CSV.